Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Tawfiq Aman Channa and you are watching my YouTube channel Mr. Educator. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you some daily life sentences. So be with me in this video till the end. Without wasting time, let's begin our today's video. जल्दी ना करो. Don't hurry. Don't hurry. एक तरफ हो जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. Stand up. यहाँ बैठो. Sit here. Sit here. इसे जाने दो. Let him go. Let him go. ताने देने की ज़रूरत नहीं. No need to taunt. No need to taunt. अकल की बात करो. Talk sense. Talk sense. मेरे साथ पंगा मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. हरगिज़ नहीं. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. घबराओ नहीं. Don't panic. Don't panic. इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. इसकी नाक से खून बह रहा है. Her nose is bleeding. Her nose is bleeding. आओ गपशप करते हैं. Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. तुम इतने गुस्से में क्यों हो? Why are you so furious? Why are you so furious? ये कितने का है? How much is it? How much is it? नहीं, अभी तक नहीं. No, not yet. No, not yet. मुझे तैयार होने दो. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. मुझे गुमराह ना करो. Don't mislead me. Don't mislead me. मेरा बिस्तर यहाँ लगा दो. Make my bed over here. Make my bed over here. तुम किसी काम के नहीं. You are of no use. You are of no use. ये किसकी करतूत है? Whose act is this? Whose act is this? लाइक करें इस वीडियो को, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.